This is section 5.1, example 6. So remember that one of the ways that you can find a inverse of a function is that you can switch the x and the y places. What effect does that have on the graph? Well, what it does is it actually reflects the graph over the y equals x line. So let's look at how to do that. So first of all, let's graph this function. It's a parabola and it's going up. And in order to graph it, I'm going to go ahead and make a t-table. So I will make an x and a y. And in my x and my y t-table, I want to put some values that are easy for me to do. And so I'm going to let x be 0, and then I'm going to go down 1 from there. So I let x be a -1 and x be a +1, and I plug that in. So -1 times a -1 is 1, and 1 minus 5 is -4. 0 squared is 0, minus 5 is -5. 1 squared is 1, minus 5 is a -4. So there's 3 points on my parabola. Let's graph those. So I get a -1, -4. And 0, -5, and 1, -4. And of course, again, because this is 1, 1, and 1, 1, I can go left 2 from the vertex, left 2 up 4, and right 2 up 4, and there's some points on my parabola. So there's my parabola. And then let's label this. This is the original function, which is f of x. Now I want to find its inverse, and to find its inverse, it's a really simple procedure from this point on, because all you're going to do is make a new t-table, and on your new t-table, instead of y, you're going to put y inverse, and then you're going to switch places with the x's and the y's. You don't do any math. The -1, -4 becomes -4, -1. The 0, -5 becomes -5, 0, and the 1, -4 becomes -4, 1. Now let's go over and plot those points. So we've got -4, -1, which is here, -5, 0, which is here, and -4, +1 is here, and there is our new parabola. And then we're going to label this one f inverse of x. So now what does that mean? It reflects over the x equals y line or the y equals x line. Well, if you look at some ordered pairs where the y equals the x, you would get the points 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, or -1, -1, -2, -2. So the y equals x line is this line right here. And that's why the original function and the black function and the blue function are reflections over that line.